So I'm almost at the end of my vacation. We had a great week, we had minimal rain, we had a couple of days with some winds, but it wasn't too intense. We'll get into the video in a second, but first I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro. Their partnership and amazing products have been instrumental in allowing me to share my content and to grow our community. Don't forget at checkout, you can use my promo code TapRootsGrowing and save yourself some money off your order. Alright, let's get into the video. And here is the Gorilla Glue. They're all coming along nicely. The only one I'm really concerned about is this one over here. I don't know, the color is off. The leaves are looking thin. I'd almost say it's a pH issue, but it's not affecting any of the other plants. So I'm not too sure what's going on. So what we got going on today is I'm going to be doing a top feed. It's hard to believe it's already been 4 weeks. The time is just flying by. Next thing you know, we're going to be into harvest. Damn it! So besides the top feed, I'm going to be doing another foliar spray today. But something a little bit different. Well, I've done it before, but I've brought out my rooted leaf. And they have a foliar spray mix, and I'm going to do that. So it's silica skin, and it's solar rain. Whoops, there goes everything. So I'm going to give that a shot, see if it'll help the plant bounce back. It's helped in the past, and I'm sure it's going to help again. So for my top feed, it's the same recipe as always. Gaia grain, 3 tablespoons per gallon. So I'm putting it into a 10-gallon hole, so it's going to be 30 tablespoons per plant. And of course a couple of cups of worm castings. Alright, let's get into making this. Alright, we got them top fed and foliar sprayed. Yesterday as I was working on the video, we ended up getting a downpour, so I came over here this morning and this plant was down on the ground. The rain was just too much for it. So as you can see, I put a wire there and I put another wire over here just to hold it up until it can start getting into the netting. I don't know, it just seems every summer I always seem to lose a plant. I don't know why. Every summer, either I lost it because of hermit, or it was a male, or one year I had something eating my roots. It's always something. But like I said, this one's just, it's puzzling me. Like I said, the newer growth is looking not bad, but it's still, the color's off. It's not the same deep green as the other ones. So I don't know. Anyways, that's all we got going on out here right now. So we're gonna be heading back into town, and it's time to get the tents up and running again. So we'll be getting into that when I get there, so we'll see you there. In the Mars Hydro tent, almost under the FC 3000. So as you can see, we gotta do a cleaning. Gotta sweep things up, gotta wipe things down, gotta clean the fans, all that stuff. So the trellis net that was in here, I already shortened it. I shortened it because it was too high, no pun intended.
So high.
So I already moved it, just to get it out of the way so that we can start cleaning up. All right, let's get to it. Alright, so the tents are cleaned. I transplanted the Gorilla Glue. I trained the Gorilla Glue. The only thing that's left is I have to give her a good watering and get her a good soaking because the soil's pretty dry, so we're gonna do that. I'll do that after I finish the video. Now we're ready to start scrogging. Now we're back under the FCE 3000, so that's all I'm gonna be doing now. As the plant kind of gets higher and starts getting closer to the net, I'm just gonna keep tucking the branches and the leaves underneath. If one pokes up, I'm gonna tuck it back under, and it's gonna go underneath the twine. And I'll just keep doing that, and we'll keep spreading it out. And we'll spread it out as much as we can. And I've been watching the Northern Scrogger, and what he did was he still kept stretching them out 2 weeks into flower, and then after that he stopped. So that's why I'm going to try similar, and we'll see how it works out. I tried some new clips for when I was training the plant, and these bud clips. The ones I used to have, they were way too extreme for the angle that was bending the branches at. So this is a little bit more more reasonable. So anyways, that's what I used, and it was quite simple. So as you can see, I spread them out. I spread this one, this one, this one, and there's another one under here. So there's 4 that spread out. Now whatever in the middle is going to start shooting up. Alright, so one last thing for today. We are going to be germinating some seeds. Here we are. We're going to be germinating magic melon. They're autoflower seeds. I'm growing them for my friend. And I got a guy in my Discord, a buddy, and he swears by adding soluble seaweed to his water when he's germinating his seeds that he has great success. So we're going to try it out and see how it works. Here we go. There we go. 3 seeds, 3 autoflowers, and here we go again. Back to my autoflowers that I said I'd never grow again, but well, we'll give it another shot and see how these ones do. So now I'll go put them in a dark place, and a cool dark place, and I'll soak them for 24 to 48 hours, depending on when I end up getting a taproot. And then once the taproot's out, they're going to go into their final containers. Because with autoflowers, myself personally, I do not transplant them. I have a hard enough time growing them as it is. I don't need to add any more stress.
You're stressing me out.
Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.